Welcome to MA Textile Design. I'm going to give you a course introduction and overview. A little bit about me first. So my name is Jane Murrow. I'm the course leader, and I have a background in textiles and fashion knitwear, and I've got over 20 years of experience of working in a broad range of roles, design roles, consultancy roles, trend, plus having independent businesses in the industry. So I've got a broad range of experience and knowledge to bring to the course. So why Chelsea? We have a wide range of courses at Chelsea, including design courses, and you're also part of the postgraduate design school, which is across Chelsea and Camberwell campuses, and they're MA Textile Design, Designer Maker, Interior and Spatial Design, and Graphic Design and Communication. So why MA Textile Design at Chelsea? We describe ourselves as being research-led and practice-based. The kind of focus of the course is around encouraging transformative and multidisciplinary and collaborative approaches to textile design, socially responsible, culturally inclusive, and environment-centered design thinking. And exploration of those is sort of core values that underpin our course. The course fosters critical thinking and creative design practice, and MATD encourages you to take a conceptual and speculative approach, nurturing a diversity of practice and disciplinarity through experimentation and design practice. You'll be encouraged to build on your creativity and your skills with your future career ambitions in mind. Our students go on to work in a wide variety of roles and careers that I'll come to in a while. The course aims to equip you with the skills you need to develop a design identity and become a proactive designer, someone who can confidently navigate and creatively contribute to textile design futures and beyond in the complex global context of our time. So we have a broad range of textile specialisms and a fantastic set of workshops. They broadly cover print, digital print, bio-based materials, stitch and digital embroidery. That includes multimedia approaches. Weave, knit, we have stole, so power machine and knitterate. And we also have quite a strong focus on so-called smart textiles. So that's where you might be working with technology, bringing that into textiles, interactive approaches, etc. The course is divided into 3 units that run over 4 terms. Unit 1 is exploration and contextualization. The kind of key focus of that is around community building, so getting to know each other, getting to know the college and the wider kind of offer, if you like, that we have at Chelsea. Research briefs and material investigation, so deep diving, growing knowledge and expertise. So knowledge building and technical inductions as well, where you specialize in a particular area. Developing your own MA design proposal, that is fundamental to the course and takes you right through the whole course from unit 1 to the end. Experimentation and making is absolutely key, and exploring so-called smart textiles and creative approaches to writing as well. Unit 2 is ideation and position. So this focuses on experimentation, iteration, and making. So real development of ideas through making, thinking through making, we describe it as. Testing ideas and developing them. Locating your research and practice. So contextualizing in relation to the industry and perhaps others and other organizations, companies, practitioners, etc., who work in alignment perhaps with your own interests. Developing your critical analysis skills and defining a clear design direction. Unit 3, realization and communication. So developing final design work, so a final response to your design brief that you write for yourself, your proposal. Portfolio development and network building. Preparing for a professional practice and your future career. And exhibiting your work in the MA Design Show and participating in our MA Textile Design Festival at the end of the course. What are we looking for in your application? So you'll be submitting a personal statement and a portfolio that shows evidence of visual research, design development and experimentation, and a deep interest in materials and making. Evidence of engagement with principles of climate, racial, and social justice within design. So that's that ethical and sustainability underpinning of the course. We would like to know what your interests are there. And an individual response to ideas and critical awareness, showing development of ideas and how you process those. So additional opportunities. So there are opportunities to collaborate across the postgraduate community within the college and more widely across UAL, and also with external partners, which is strong on our course. Advice from the UAL Careers and Employability team. Opportunities to engage in live competition projects with external partners. So a couple of examples of those are we've recently worked with Ananas Anam. So some of you may know that as Pinutex as a material, and Liberty London as a couple of examples. They change every year, so we have exciting opportunities coming along each time that are quite varied and different. So additional opportunities. We engage in what we call research in action. So we're very keen on doing as many external trips as we can with you. So visits to studios, galleries, exhibitions, but also nature-based learning inside and outside of London. So careers after graduating, our students go into a very wide range of careers and sort of jobs after MA Textile Design. So you might become a textile designer, a fashion designer, you might work in interior design, and that might include, say, the automotive industry. Materials research and development. So again, perhaps automotive, but also healthcare industries, those kind of areas. Textile technology and innovation, sustainability. Establish perhaps your own studio or brand. Some of our students go on to PhD and research degrees. And we also have students that go on to work as independent or freelance designers as well. Scholarships. Um, so there are a number of UAL postgraduate scholarships available to both home and international students. And these are merit-based and usually means tested as well. So what we would advise there is for you to use the scholarship search tool, that UAL's search tool, to check what support is available and to see what scholarships you would be eligible to apply for. And then for international applicants, do check if there's a UAL representative in your country. So follow us on Facebook and Instagram. So you've got the handles here for that. We have our course Instagram as well. And then if you have any specific course related inquiries or questions, do get in touch at the email address given there. They will also pass direct questions on to me. So thank you very much for watching, and we hope very much you will be interested in applying for MA Textile Design.